Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark, and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. And what we're doing today, we're going to carry on trimming this golden shower up. Put that down there, get that out of the way. I did say I was going to wire it up. I'm just going to trim it a bit, see how it goes. Sorry about my voice, I'm feeling a bit ill. Take some of these dead bits off. Droopy. Button underneath here for me to spin this. Seems seized up. Let's see what's on the back of it. There you go, don't want that big. Forgot to put my gloves on, they're a little bit spiky. Don't want to do that. I should bring it down, shouldn't I? Should I bend it down? Come down with it, mate. Let's take these off here. Just cleaning the inside of it out a bit. Short a bit. Little pinch. Very spiky. Very spiky. Let's take that one out as well. That one's coming at me, so I want to take it out. Cleared the way there. Take these off here. So I've got them two there. It's got a nice little bend there. So this one I want to bend down and around. Branch. Move that down around to there. Make a pad. Chop that one out. Well, we're going to have to do a little bit of wiring by the looks of it. I didn't want to do it. It's only going to be a little bit, just to bend these two down. I think it'll take a lot. Like that and that. Like I said, sorry about my voice. Got a little bit of a cold. As much as I need there. If I anchor it there, it's about OTT with the wire thickness, but I only want to guide the branches. Stay there. Go up that branch, here we go, and bend the branch, bend the wire. So if I bend, let's bend down there, and that bend around. Yep. Nice little pad there, won't it? That'll do. Take it off there. Bring that down a bit. Bring that down a bit. Just trim this up a bit. See what I mean about being spiky? Hope you can see that. For a minute. Let's take that one. Let's take that for a minute. Should put my gloves on really. Try not to catch any branches, huh? That's not right. Bend it back a bit. For a minute. Take that branch off. Why am I taking that branch off? Just trim the bottom of it, innit? Clear this back one off there. Back one off there. This don't seem right there. There we go. That looks better. Take it some coming up there a bit. Only needed a little trim. I think I'll do it today. I know it's only a quick little video. More it's growing, I think I'll be alright. It gets the sun inside the tree as well, so it helps with the, you know, what the sun does to trees, it makes them grow. And that's what we've got left with. Got a nice pot there. I like it. So there we go. Yeah, so that'll do today. Like, subscribe, share, do all the usual things, and YouTube will be putting something there. Right, have a great one. Alright, bye.